doves in the wind. Pussy like doves in the wind.
You got them eyes looking through to the sunrise. It's too easy, man, it's plain to see. You're making my dreams come alive in the nighttime. Your body making room up in my memory, yeah. Baby, you're an angel. Baby, you're the one. Baby, you're the only girl that I could ever want. I can be your A1, anything for us. Baby, you're the only girl that I could ever love. Girl, your smile and your thighs, you know you got it. Your body making moves and you know I caught it. You know I caught it. You're a dime, 10 out of 9. You know I want it. My mind is thinking about you, girl, and I can't stop it. No, I can't stop. Baby, you're an angel. Baby, you're the one. Baby, you're the only girl that I could ever want. I can be your A1, anything for us. Baby, you're the only girl that I could ever love.
Yo, oh no, no, no. Yo, my vida, boss little. Call me when I'm feeling sick. Call me when I'm feeling down. Call me when you need someone to talk to. Call me when you're feeling lonely. Call me when you need somebody. Call me when you need someone to talk to. You got my number. I gotta wait for your boss, don't be late, no, no, no. I gotta wait for your call, you get my number. I gotta wait for your call, no. Baby, don't be late, don't delay, no. Ay, my nigga, my melody, I gotta wait for your, I gotta wait for your call, no. My nigga, my melody, I go. Baby, snap a photo. Anywhere you there, baby, me I wanna go to. Anytime I see you, be like say I want the lotto. Nancy Colombo, Alan Colombo. It make a man loco. Baby, snap a photo. Anywhere you there, baby, me I wanna go to. Anytime I see you, be like say I want the lotto. Nancy Colombo, Alan Colombo. Tell me what you want to do. Tell me where you want to go. When you go with me, when you need someone to talk to. Oh yeah, yeah. Call me when you want some cuddling. When you want some kissing, tell me when you need anything, baby. Because you got my number. I gotta wait for your call, no be shy, no need, no. go to wait for your call. You get my number, my number. I go to wait for your call, oh, no. Baby, don't delay, don't be late, oh. Ay, when you cook my melody, I go. My melody, I go to wait for you. I dey for you, yeah. When you cook my melody, I go. My melody, I go to wait for you. It make a man loco, baby snap it photo. Anywhere you there, baby me I wanna go to. Anytime I see you, be like say I want it loto. Nancy Colombo, Alan Colombo. It make a man loco, baby snap it photo. Anywhere you there, baby me I wanna go to. Anytime I see you, be like say I want it loto. Nancy Colombo, Alan Colombo. Now I never know my photo, now I never die, yeah, 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 yeah. Call me when you're feeling sick. Call me when you're feeling down. Call me when you need someone to talk to. Call me when you're feeling lonely. Call me when you need somebody. Call me when you need someone to talk to. You got my number. Hey, I gotta wait for your bus. Don't be late, no, no, no. I gotta wait for your call. You get my number, my number. I gotta wait for your call, no. Baby, don't be late, don't delay, no. Ay, my nigga, why melody, I go. Why melody, I go.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Nicole, and I want to thank you guys for watching. So this wig is from the company Xtrend. This is one of their synthetic units. This wig comes in like, I think 6 colors. I'm not sure, but I'm putting the picture right here. So I chose this wig and I love it. I love this color. It is really pretty. I say it's about 26 inches. Like right there. It comes down to the top of my butt basically. And yeah, I didn't really do too much. I did not pluck. I did cut baby hairs and I did cut layers, but that was about it. With shedding and tangling, I do get shedding and I do get tangling, but this is a synthetic unit. It isn't too bad. The ends aren't puffy from me doing what I've been doing to the wig, so that is good. And the wig was really easy to customize and stuff like that. Like I said, I didn't do any plucking, so this is just what it looks like. And I love the color. So overall, the wig is pretty cool. Don't have any complaints, but like I said, it does shed and it does tangle. But this is the wig. It's not shiny, but of course from my lights, it does come off shiny. But as I look in the mirror right here, it's not shiny at all. So let me cut down my light. I'm gonna cut down my light. Well, I'm gonna cut one off. I'm gonna cut this one off. So this is just me with one light, so I can show y'all like how it looks. How in person it's really not that shiny, but of course with the light it does come off shiny. It doesn't really give me that synthetic-y vibe, but I probably would put some baby powder on it just to like dim it down some more. But other than that, I like it. It's cute. Yeah, it doesn't give me baby doll hair vibes. But yeah, so that is it for this video. Please give me a big like, subscribe, hit that bell so you know when I post again. And yeah, bye guys.
I would wait for your bus. Don't be late, no, no.